Beta, that child who has posted the meeting hasn't started. Who is it?
Ma'am, me.
Better delete it. Don't create confusion on the group. Other students will also feel it hasn't started. They'll not join. Please delete your message. Otherwise, there'll be a confusion for other students also. Okay, delete it beta quickly.
Okay.
And let me know once you do it. Otherwise, other students will go for breakfast or for a bath. They will feel that the meeting is not going on. Let me go. What is the point? It was disconnected for a second, but that doesn't mean it is not going on. Okay, tell me the answer about that money thing that we had discussed.
Yes, ma'am. We were on third, ma'am. Gaurav is a vegetable vendor.
Read out the entire sentence with the answer, beta. You only read out.
Ma'am, Gaurav is a vegetable vendor. He has very little education and does not earn much money. However, with much money he is able to educate his two daughters.
Beta, do you agree with the answer?
Ma'am, the last one is wrong.
Ma'am, last one is
Ma'am,
wrong.
last one is wrong. Yes,
So
ma'am.
what should be
Yes,
the answer?
ma'am.
What should be the answer?
Ma'am, the little. Ma'am, the little.
Okay,
Ma'am,
let's see. There
Ma'am,
are different
wait, with-
answers.
Yes,
There are
ma'am. With the
different
little
answers.
with the little money.
The little. You people feel it is the little. Chalo, let me see.
A
For you, it's
little.
the, no,
A
it is
few.
the little. No, few is not used for money, beta. It is the little. With money, we always use little and the little. The little money he earns, he is able to educate. The little means jo bhi thoda bahut. You remember when I explained, I told you the meaning of the little?
Yes, ma'am.
Jo bhi thoda bahut. So we are saying he earns very less. We are saying he earns very less, but whatever little bit he earns, jo bhi thoda bahut he earns, he spends it on his daughter's education. Clear, everyone? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
not good to eat 2 dash chocolates.
Too much.
Many.
Too much.
Many.
Many.
Too many jokes.
Always
Ma'am,
decide
much.
whether it can be count. No, much is used for uncountable. Can you count chocolates or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, few.
Yes, ma'am.
Count now. So for countables, many is used. It's not good to eat too many chocolates. You should practice dash self-restraint.
A little.
Very
A
good.
little.
A little. Anything which is uncountable is little a little. That the fifth one now. Then I'll give you time to write. Dash plants can survive even in places where there's hardly dash rainfall.
Some.
Ma'am, some and any. Ma'am, some.
Okay.
Ma'am,
See,
some.
both are
And-
correct. A few plants are also correct and some plants is also correct. Anything can be there. Some plants can survive even in places where there is hardly dash rainfall.
Any. Ma'am, any.
Any rainfall.
Any.
Chaliye, very good. I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please write down the answers in your notebook and please post it on the group. Then I'll discuss the next 5 sentences. Immediately start. Please start. Hurry up. Please start quickly.
Ma'am, only the answers, no?
Only the answers, bache. Otherwise, it's going to kill a lot of time. Just the answers.
Ma'am, what will be the chapter heading?
9th B, who somebody has posted this photo on the group. Who is this?
Fatima
For a
Zahra.
minute. Yes, Fatima, are you supposed to tell me what is the status of my meeting? Fatima, are you there? Please remove the message immediately. You people create confusions for others as well. It takes a second to start again and you post such messages. Others feel that it's okay. Let's go and have a fun. Fatima, immediately delete the message.
Ma'am, she is not in the meeting.
No, I don't think it is Fatima. It is somebody else. Who is it?
Ma'am, she is Fatima.
Dua Trading Company, it is written. Whose is it?
Ma'am, it's Fatima. She isn't in the meeting.
She's in.
Ma'am, she is not in the meeting.
Just message her. Lot of confusion. There are so many students who are not joining again because of this message. One of our friends, please message her to delete the message. Hmm?
Ma'am, we have to send the first 5 sentences in the group.
Yes, you have to post it. Whoever is a friend of Fatima, just message her. Because of this message, so much of confusion is there in the class.
One more photo has been
There was just a problem of a few seconds, and you people, some of you have created so much of confusion because of this. All friends, whoever are friends of Fatima, please message her immediately or tell her to remove the message, as so many students are not joining back again because of this. Please message her, hurry up. 9th B, na? Is she B or C?
Ma'am, B.
B section students, just message her. Beta, don't create so much of chaos on the groups. Have some patience. You're grown-up children. Your class in 9th now. Even if there's a error in connection, it's taking a few seconds. That does not mean you're going to create so much in confusion and panic on the groups. You should learn to have patience, beta, because of this little carelessness of yours. Other students also suffer. Has someone sent her a message? I'm asking 9th B, has someone corresponded with her or not? Nobody is a friend of hers, no?
No, ma'am.
I'm talking about girls, 9th
Wait,
B
ma'am.
girls.
Wait, ma'am. I'm doing that.
Just send it better. There's so much of confusion. There may be students who are in the waiting, they'll not come only. Immediately send her a message, tell her ma'am is saying remove it. And finish writing better. Finish writing quickly. Beta, if you all are done, should I show you the next file?
Ma'am, she's offline right now.
Very good. Herself, she's not attending the class. She's offline. And she's created confusion for others also. You people have finished the first file?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait, ma'am, I'm on the second one.
Beta, please
Second
hurry
last
up. Okay, she is doing it. Others, please plan your answers for the next one so that I can discuss with you, bachas. Plan your answers for the next time. Five, quickly raise your hand.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, heading can be determined. Excuse me, ma'am.
Others also, please finish.
Ma'am, heading can be determined.
Yes, Peter.
Ma'am, done.
Ma'am, done and posted.
Have you discussed, planned the answers? Should I discuss?
No, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, I posted the work.
Okay, very good. I hope you're writing your names when you're posting bitters.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good.
Yes,
Very
ma'am.
nice. Nice children. Very good. Okay. Should I discuss with you the answers?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now you please plan your answers for 6 to 10. Tell me the sixth answer.
Ma'am, some and any.
I need some eggs to make the cake.
Very good. I need some eggs to bake the cake, but I cannot see any in the refrigerator. Very, very smart children. I had dash money in my pocket.
The little.
A little.
Ma'am, a little.
A little. Okay, a little money in my pocket, but dash money that I had in my pocket.
But the little.
Very
And
good.
the little.
The little. Dash family friends came to greet my grandparents.
Many.
Many.
Okay. Very good. Dash friends who came to meet my grandparents had a gala time with them.
A
So you should,
Many
A
family
few.
friends.
you can have a few here, or you could have had few here and the few here. Both would have been correct. I'm dash busy, Sakshi. I'll call you back in an hour.
I am a little busy.
Very,
A little.
very, very good.
A
Very
little.
बहुत अच्छे. आप जीत गए 1 करोड़. Very good. I'm a little busy. 1 crore you have won in KBC. Are you thirsty? There is dash juice left in this bottle. You would
There's
like it?
some.
Some.
Very good. There is some. Now please hurry up. Take out some energy and finish writing answers 5 to 10 and raise your hands.
I've finished all the 10.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but I'll just speak to her.
Ma'am, please tell the ninth one.
Better help your friend with the 9th answer.
A little.
Okay. Okay. What is her name? Zaira. What is her name, beta?
Ma'am, Fatima Zahra.
Ma'am, Fatima.
Fatima Zaira. Fatima, good morning. Fatima, good morning. She's not there in the meeting? Again left the
No,
meeting?
ma'am.
Again she's left.
No, ma'am, she is there, but she is not connected to the audio.
Yes, ma'am, she is disconnected.
She's disconnected with the audio. She's disconnected with, she's not even able to hear me. And she is the one who's creating confusion on the groups. If there is so much of confusion in her network, then why does she create confusion? I don't know. I don't know if you're able to hear me or not, better, but please do not create confusion for other students. See, now you're not able to speak. I don't know what problem is there in your signals. You're not even able to answer what I'm saying. Next time, I
Ma'am,
don't want
can
you to create all this mess on the group.
Ma'am,
Have you
can you please
finished?
tell me the 7th one? Seventh
Sure,
one.
beta. Sure, sure. Chalo, beta. Let's help him. I had dash money in my pocket.
A little. The little.
Ma'am, a little.
Yes, a little money. But dash money that I had in my pocket was not adequate.
The little.
Very good, very good. Anyone wants me to help in any of the sentences again? Let me know,
Thank-
Blade.
Thank you.
Are my pleasure, bache. Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
can you tell the eighth second one?
Okay, tell dash family friends
Ma'am,
came
a
to greet.
few. A few.
A few family friends came to greet my grandparents. Dash friends who came.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
few
second one
family
is
friends. Ma'am,
the
first one
few.
is few family.
Ma'am, please tell the 10th one also.
See, you can make it a few and the few over here. 10th,
Ma'am,
are you
please tell the-
thirsty? There is dash juice. Tell the answer to your friend. Very good.
Ma'am,
There
some.
is some. Should I
Okay.
remove this if you're done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's move on to this now. First 5 answers. Put on the heading interrogatives. The heading would be interrogatives now. Prepare your answers, the first 5 ones. You raise your hands once you're done. Raise your hands, huh?
I'm raised.
Okay, ma'am.
Hurry up, beta, hurry up. Should we discuss?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, please wait, ma'am. I am on the last.
Okay, beta, we'll wait for another second for you.
Ma'am, done.
Done,
Okay,
ma'am.
let's discuss. Dash color tiles have you used in your bathroom?
Which color tiles?
Ma'am, which?
Very nice. Oh, very nice. Dash did they cost?
How
Ma'am,
much?
how much?
बहुत बढ़िया. Everybody wins 1 crore today. Dash cartons will be acquired to pack these items.
How many?
Ma'am, how
Very
many?
nice. Very nice. Dash dirty clothes are lying on my chair. Are they
Whose?
yours, Ragini?
Whose?
Ma'am, whose?
Who's dirty clothes?
You people are very smart. Dash money should I save every month to be able to buy a car after 5 years?
How much?
How much?
How much?
Ma'am, how
Dash
much?
time do you need to finish this painting?
Ma'am, how much?
How much?
Okay, very good. Please write the first 5 answers. See, I did not help you in anything. You know everything. All answers have been given by you.
Excuse me,
people.
ma'am.
Very good. Yes, dear.
Ma'am, Fatima is writing क्यों? Ma'am, she is saying why she is delete. Why she should delete the photo.
You just message her one thing that
Yeah,
ma'am
ma'am.
has instructed.
Ma'am. Yes,
That
ma'am.
is
I
enough.
said her.
That's it. Thank you so much. Better write the answers. Forget about it. Just message her that ma'am has said and otherwise leave it now. You focus on your studies. Write the answers for the first 5.
Ma'am, done.
Once you all finish writing, let me know better.
Ma'am, done.
Okay, those who are done, do one thing now. Do the next 5. Then we'll discuss the answers and together interrogatives you post on the hurry up, hurry up. I want to finish this exercise interrogatives today itself. Should you people only speak and give me the answers for the next one? Should we do it like this? One of you speak the sixth one. Start.
Dash style did Charles Dickens use in his writing? Which style did
Very good. Which style did Charles Dickens use? Who will speak the seventh and give the answer?
Me.
Hmm?
The cat is trotting through. Ma'am, one
Ma'am,
minute.
which?
No, it is not which.
Ma'am, whose?
Yes. Very good. It is whose. Very good. What about the eighth one? Who will
Ma'am,
speak?
what? What?
Ma'am, what?
Very
What?
good. Very good. What about the ninth one?
Ma'am,
Which?
which?
Very nice. Which? Tenth one. Dash, are you reading these days?
Ma'am,
What?
what?
And how much?
Ma'am, what?
How
Ma'am,
much?
and how
Which time
much?
do you spend
What
on your
and how much?
studies? What and how much? Finish it quickly. Put on the heading interrogators, post on the group. Let me check and mark you present. I'll mark only those students present who send their work on the group. Let's discuss the next two also, then you finish. Dash is the color of your puppy.
Ma'am, what is the
What?
color of the
What?
What?
Dash breed does it belong to?
Ma'am, which?
Very
Which?
nice. Which?
Which?
Dash sugar shall I add to it?
How much?
much?
How much?
How much?
Very nice, very nice. Finish it quickly, beta. Hurry up.
Could you please
We have
repeat
only
the
we have only 3 minutes for the class to get over. Only 3 minutes. Finish it quickly, post on the group. Only 3 minutes, post your work with your name.
Ma'am posted.
Okay, beta, others also.
Ma'am, post.
Very good. Keep informing me. Your work is complete, posted. Very good, very good. Finish it. Only 2 minutes left for the class.
Ma'am,
posted.
Ma'am, please tell
posted.
the sixth and seventh answer, please.
Please help your friend with the fifth one. Come on, one of you speak out.
Ma'am, no, the sixth and seventh.
Okay, sixth and seventh will help you. Tell her sixth one.
Ma'am, which?
Which style did Charles Dickens use? And tell her the seventh one.
Whose?
Very good. Whose cat? Anyone wants to ask
posted.
anything?
Thank you.
Very good. Posted, beta. If you want to ask anything, please ask. Hurry up. Only 1 minute left for the meeting to get over. Please ask. It's already 49. 8:50 the class gets over. Please ask and post. I'm waiting on the group and checking, bache.
Ma'am posted.
Very good.
Yes, ma'am,
It's just-
posted.
Good. It's 8:49. We still have 1 minute. Those who have not
Ma'am,
finished,
posted.
very good. Very good. Those who have finished can leave. There are 30 seconds left only. It's your break time. Those who have
Ma'am,
not
posted the
posted,
work.
very good. I hope
Ma'am,
you're writing your
posted.
name on it. I hope your names are written side by
Yes,
side.
ma'am. Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Only 1 minute left for the class to get
Ma'am.
over. Post soon. Yes. Yes, bache.
Ma'am posted.
Very good.
Ma'am posted.
Very good.
Ma'am posted.
Very
Ma'am,
good,
posted.
bache. Very good. Very good.
I'm posting in 2 minutes, ma'am. Please wait.
Ma'am, can I post in 5 minutes?
Yes, Peter.
Can I post in 5 minutes, ma'am? I
Why
don't
not?
have-
Why not? Why not? Those who have not completed can complete their work in the break also. But remember, I'll mark you present only once you post your work.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, who I
Very
posted can leave the meeting, ma'am.
Yes, bache, it's already your break time. Very good.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
God bless.
Ma'am posted.
Okay, beta, quietly keep posting on your group.
Ma'am
And
posted.
then- Fine, beta, then you leave. Beta, those who have posted, please leave the meeting. The class is already over.
Ma'am. Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Beta, once you keep posting, leave.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Keep posting, beta, then leave.
No, ma'am.